Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to reset Google Chrome in Windows 10. So how to reset Google Chrome in Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Chrome application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of Google Chrome. Here it is already on the initial display of the Google Chrome application. To reset Google Chrome, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Well, here there is a three-dot icon. Tap this icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear. There are many choices here. Select the Settings menu. Here it is already in the Settings menu. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Down, select the Reset Settings menu. Well, here it is already in the Reset Settings menu. Then tap Restore Settings to their original defaults. Well, a choice will appear. Before continuing the reset, you need to know that the reset function in Google Chrome is used to restore browser settings to their initial, default, condition as when it was first installed. This is useful if Chrome experiences problems such as slow performance, errors, or unwanted changes due to extensions or malware. To continue, tap Reset Settings. So that's it, the tutorial how to reset Google Chrome in Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.